Hello YouTube. When the cold 2 days, the last 2 days it was very cold, and basically this is how the garden turned out. So the freeze, it was very bad. So kind of burned the peas, everything burned. As you guys can see, so dry, completely messed up. I don't know if they will come back, but they super dry. Not a single flower survived. And the leaf and the pigeon peas on it is very, as you guys can see, it turned brown. And the branches, different colors. And so we're still in December. I mean January. So it's gonna take a long time until February for the cold to stop. But pretty much the harvest is done. Lost the season. Everything lost because of the cold. That's Mother Nature. Here we do. You know what I mean? Just suck it in. Take it as it is. As you guys can see. There was a lot of plant. I even have some pineapple on the ground. You guys can see the leaf, how the leaf turned out. Also, different colors. Very bad. This one kind of survived for now. This one is very crispy. Look at this pineapple here. Instead of green, turn yellow. The freeze. It's about 36 to 35 degrees. I mean, the humidity was bad, so it turned to ice. You know what I mean? This one here, all of them, pretty much. Look at that. Can they come back? I don't know. See all those peas messed up. There's a lot of peas on this. They're pretty much fried up. And there are some big trees. Look at this one here. Loaded. Some peas, but they no good. Because they got freeze. You see? They're dry. Pretty much screw up. I have a lot of trees. This little avocado survived. Look at this. Dry. You can make sound. That's when they're very crispy. That's the sound of it. You guys can see for yourself. Depending on the climate, we're in Central Florida, so it depends on the year, and it depends on the spot too. So some spot make it, some not. It depends on the village, basically. So we're surrounded by a lot of lakes, so I could cross it too. Drop the humidity even further down, so that way that thing create frost. Any a little cold, mess it up. You know what I mean? I mean, I feel bad, but what can you do? Feel bad. That's a lot of peace. It was big tree too. You know, they're big. They're not small. I don't know if they will come back or not. We'll see. Time will tell. And it's all over. Pineapples. There's a bunch of pineapples. The pineapple, I'm not worried about it because eventually they will come back. They will come back. I guess the sun is kind of in my way. That's a big pineapple. See that? The floss. Change the color. You got some papaya plant. Fry. Super fried. And that's guava. Screw up. See pineapple everywhere. They messed up. Papaya messed up. And we got that's a plant. It's a banana plant. You guys can see it's damaged. And a lot of plants here, but that's another banana, dry because of the cold. Oh shoot! That's another plant. Screw up. That was yam. Trying to make it curl, but didn't make it. This avocado, still fighting. Got some burn, but not completely, but it could dry. If another cold come, it will screw up big time. So the season's still not over yet. It's another. So, look at the different colors. Different colors. As you can see, this pineapple rolled. Very bad. That's the frost. That's my chicken. Yeah. Very bad. So now I can't do anything about the plant. I can't do anything basically until maybe at the end of February. Maybe I can start clean up some, because right now if I go touch them, that's a waste of time. It's a waste of time, basically. I got another big big banana plant and a pineapple. Look at that the coconut tree. Screw up also. Look at that pineapple also. That's dope. Look at this one. That's a big. You see that? Look at that. That this is destroyed. It might come. It will come back. The banana will come back. The pineapple will come back. So, guys, just trying to show you even down there, everywhere, they're messed up, everywhere. So thank you for watching. So I didn't edit anything. So everything you see, that's what it is. So thank you for watching. See what the coal can do. You know what I mean?